makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I'm super excited for this video because we have a subscription service unboxing, and today I'm going to be trying out Glossybox, and this is their April box. They actually reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try it, and I figured what the heck, why not? The only person on my personal subscription feed I've heard talk about Glossybox is my friend Angelica, who lives in Sweden, and that makes me even more excited about this because I know that it's available internationally. I'm not sure if the products that are in the United States box are the same products that are in the European box. No idea on that. I figured it was worth a try, and I have no idea what to expect as far as what's in this month's box, so that should be interesting. If you're not already familiar with Glossybox, they do, I believe, a monthly subscription service, and it's $21 a month. They did give me a code, which is just Amy, and I believe it saves you 22% off your first box. I'm not affiliated with them, not making any commission. It's just a code for y'all to save money. I did go ahead and check their website really quickly, and it does say that they claim that every month's box has at least a value of $60, so it's about triple what you're putting in. Oh wait, there's another box in here. It's so cute. So the first thing that's in the box, before getting into the box that's in the box, is just like a little HelloFresh gift card, which I think you have to like spend a certain amount or something to do. But anyways, here is what the box actually looks like. Super cute. All right, let's just jump into this. Aw, that is so cute. Look at the little packaging. It's so nicely presented. Okay, there's a little sheet here. Is this going to tell me what's in there? I don't know if I want to see it. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to wait. We'll do this. We'll do it more fun. Okay, there's like a little ribbon. There's extra paper. Very, very cute. I'll just pull something out. Okay, so the first thing we have here is from Collab, and it's their dry shampoo, original fragrance. It's an amazing oil absorption. What was that? Amazing oil absorption without white residue. I don't typically use dry shampoo because my hair doesn't get very oily, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'll give it a try just for the heck of it, but I might pass this on to my mom because I know she likes dry shampoo. I feel like most people do. I mean, I guess I should look and tell you what that retails for. I'm just gonna look. It's fine. It retails for $5.49. Okay. So the next thing I'm pulling out here is the Flower Bomb Nectar Eau de Parfum Intense. I wish I could say I didn't take French, but I did, and I'm still butchering it. So I think this is just a little tiny perfume. I love perfume samples. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that little baby. Does anyone else just like small things, or just, it's so cute. Oh, that's not a spray. Okay. Well, smells good. Pretty strong though. My recommendation for that would be not to spill it, but it actually does smell pretty good. So that is a Viktor and Rolf fragrance. I don't think that they're cruelty-free, unfortunately. I definitely have heard of them before. I feel like that's a pretty well-known perfume. It says the Deluxe Mini. It retails for $23. Next, we have the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink nail polish, and this is the shade Blossom Kisses, which definitely goes along with the like little blossom theme that they have going here. It's a really cute pastel pink, and this is actually perfect because I recently did some rainbow pastel nails where I had a different color on each nail, and I kind of had more of a hot pink rather than like a pastel pink because I couldn't find a pastel pink, and I feel like this would have been perfect for that. I love nail polish. I'm excited to try it. I will definitely get use out of that, and I've never tried this brand before, but it says that it retails for $11. Oh, and it's cruelty-free as well. Okay, so next we have a sheet mask here, and this says it's from Serum. It's the HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. So this sheet mask is actually not on the card. They do have a sheet mask on here, but it's a different brand and a different type, so I'm not sure how much this one retails for. I do really like sheet masks, so I will definitely use it, and it feels very, very liquidy and thick and kind of heavy for a sheet mask, though I feel like it's going to be maybe like super hydrating, very heavy duty. All right, so the next thing in the box is the Avant Skincare Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant, and it says this retails for $114. Oh my lord. I was not sure I was reading that right. So this says hydrate intensely and smooth wrinkles with this double duty face exfoliant that leaves the skin soft and supple thanks to its blend of rose and vitamin B5. I really appreciate that they have the tip here that don't over exfoliate. Make sure you use this on a weekly, not daily basis to not over irritate your skin, which is a mistake a lot of people make with exfoliating, especially if you have dry skin. You don't want to over exfoliate, or else it'll just make your skin drier and drier. So I'm excited to try it. I feel like that is one expensive exfoliator. Like, I would never repurchase it no matter how good it is, but I will definitely give it a chance. I'm trying to smell it, but I really can't smell anything over the perfume. Alright, the last thing we have in the box is the Inked by Jani Temporary Tattoos. It says it's hand-drawn and cruelty-free. It does say it is a bonus item for this month, and then it basically just tells you how to apply them. But I think these are actually cute, and I wonder if you did it over makeup, if it would mess up, or if you could use them as kind of like, you know when people do like the cute little like thing on the side? Like, can I do that with like a little flower? So maybe I will try it and see how it ends up going. But then again, I'm not like trying to have like flowers stuck to my face for longer than like a day maybe. So I feel like my first impression of Glossybox would be that it seems really well put together. I didn't go through and read every single explanation. There's like a really thorough card here. It's very aesthetically pleasing, and I don't think this would be like a makeup subscription service. Definitely not. There's not even any makeup here. But if you're just someone who loves beauty things in general and you like skincare, perfume, nail polish, like this could possibly be for you. Let's go ahead and do the entire value of this box. Okay, so I just included the sheet mask as the same price it's listed here, even though it's not the same sheet mask, and the entire value would be $174.17, which I think is pretty good for a box that claims to have a value of at least $60. Of course, almost all of it is coming from one product, so it really depends. The value depends on if you like exfoliators or not. I would love to know if you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let me know if you'd like to see me unbox Glossybox more in the future. They haven't offered to send it more or like to continue sending it, but it's just nice to know whether you guys actually want to see this video or not, because if you're not interested, you don't want to see it, just let me know and I will deny the PR if they ask me again. I'll leave a little poll here just because I want to do what you want to see, so your feedback is really valuable to me, but I thought it was fun, and like I said, I don't really see a lot of people unbox this subscription service. It might even be a little bit underrated because I was super impressed by the actual presentation of the box. It is so cute. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.